Good morning, everyone. My name is Jean-Paul Nussbaumer. I'm a director for Western Switzerland at EMC, and I'm here to be Gen4 certified because I've been challenged by my boss, Chris Mona. Basically, today, when I talk to my customers, I see more and more of our customers that think about evolving their data center from having a lot of spinning disks to moving into an all silicon data center. And the question, quite frankly, is not really if they're going to move into that direction, but when and at which pace. So what we're doing at EMC, we've launched last year a major breakthrough technology that we call XtremIO, which is basically our flagship solution to what we call Gen4 flash solutions for companies. Actually, this Gen4 is coming from an article that was put together in Wikibund, and in this article, basically, we analyze all the generations of equipment that have included flash. From the very beginning, the so-called Gen1 back in 2008 was actually what we call the hybrid arrays, what we essentially have in our VNX type solutions. Then we moved into Gen2, where we had solutions that were optimized for flash with no data services. Basically, it was raw flash, but with some level of optimization on the firmware. It was delivering extremely good, fast solutions, but the TCO was quite high because there was nothing to compress and dedupe. Following this, we moved into Gen3, where companies like Pure Storage or Whiptail have actually created some equipment which were still dual engine, but with a number of data services, not always online, often post-processed. So it was good in the sense that it was lowering the TCO. However, these services were actually and are still affecting the performance of those systems. So this is where EMC came with a breakthrough system called XtremIO, which is basically eliminating this compromise between, on the one side, cost and or TCO, and on the other side, performance. And the reason for this is it's based on a completely different architecture from the other systems. It's actually a scale-out technology, meaning that when you grow, you actually not only grow your flash environment, you also grow the controller CPU and resources. And this allows us to provide online or inline services like dedupe, thin provisioning, snapshot. All this can be done inline without affecting the performance of the machine. And however or whatever the growth of the system, the performance will remain linear, exactly the same throughout. So with this system, we basically believe that we can accompany the transition of our clients from traditional disk-based data centers to all silicon data centers. And really, we're providing a best-of-breed user experience for all the workloads, be it SAP, Oracle, for anything basically our customers need. And actually, it's so good that it is right now the fastest data center product in the 1 billion race, faster than Data Domain, faster than VMware. In less than a year, in 6 months, in fact, EMC managed to sell up to 500 million of this equipment. And this year, in 2015, we will reach the 1 billion mark in less than 1 year in the product history. So with this innovative product, we are on the leading edge. All the analysts are saying it. If you read this Wikibund article, you'll find really that the only company which is Gen4 is actually EMC with XtremIO. We have a fantastic product, and really we're excited to position this for all workloads to our clients. And and to win this flash battle, because it's completely game changing. Now with this, I believe that I am Gen4 certified, and on my turn, I'd like to challenge the sales team in the French part of Switzerland, based in Gland, to be Gen4 certified before end of April. And this team is composed of Romaric, Maziar, Naftali, Philippe, Roland, Jérôme, and soon to join EMC, Xavier and Frédéric. So looking forward to see your videos on YouTube. And with that, I'll leave you and wish you good sales on XtremIO in the future months.